Hey, guys, welcome to the Gadget Lab. In this video, we are going to check out 5 best key programming tools. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Number 5 on our list is Ansell DP500 Mileage. Specifications. Brand name, Ansell. Type, cluster calibration tool. OBD2, full OBD2 function. Reset, oil, CVT reset, DPF regeneration. Update, 1 year free update. Operation system, Android 5.1.1. CPU, RK3128 quad-core, ARM Cortex-A7 at 1.2 GHz. Battery, 3800 mAh, rechargeable polymer lithium battery. Extension memory card, 32GB microSD, DF, card supported. LCD 7-inch. LCD resolution, 800 by 480. Number 4 on our list is Autel MaxiIM KM100. Specifications. Brand name, Autel. Model name, Autel MaxiIM KM100. Electronic, yes. Special features, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. Software version, newest version. Hardware version, newest version. Item type, auto key programmer. Operating system, Android DM 9.0. Memory, 2GB RAM, 64GB onboard memory. Camera, 8 megapixels. Screen, 5.5-inch screen with 1280 by 720 resolution. Update, free update online. Number 3 on our list is Autofix IM1 car key fob programming tool. Specifications. Brand name, Autel. Model name, Autofix IM1. Electronic, yes. Voltage, 12 to 24 volts. Item type, auto key programmer. Update, 2 years free update. RAM, 2GB. Storage, 64GB. Operating system, Android 9.0. Battery, 5800 mAh battery. Display, 7 inches LCD 1280 by 800 resolution screen. Number 2 on our list is Mucar VO6 OBD2. Specifications. Brand name, Mucar. Model name, VO6. Material type, ABS, metal. Special features, Bluetooth. Voltage, 918V. Weight, 1.1 kilograms. Number 1 on our list is xtool InPlus IP616 Automotive Scanner. Specifications. Brand name, xtool. Model name, xtool InPlus IP616. Electronic, yes. Material type, metal and plastic. Special features, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. Software version, 2024. Hardware version, 2024. Item type, engine analyzer. Operating system, Android 10. Update, lifetime free update. Battery capacity, 2500 mAh. Screen size, 7 inches. Multi-language, 14 plus languages support. Warranty, 5 years.